What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the My Gardener channel. So around this time of year, we get a lot of questions about pest control. In the garden, there's so many different pests that can come and really wreak a lot of havoc. But I think the number one that a lot of people hate and have so much disdain for is the cabbage moth. Now, the cabbage moth seems like an absolutely beautiful moth. It seems like a fairy moth when there's tons of them in the garden. A lot of you have mentioned that our garden looks like a fairy tale with moths fluttering all around. However, those white moths are not as innocent as they may seem. Those moths are the culprit for why you have holes riddling your cabbages, your Swiss chard, your kale, any brassica, even things like broccoli and cauliflower. These are actually caterpillars that eat your brassicas and then hatch into those white moths. Then the cycle happens all over again. So what we want to do is we want to have a little fun with the most organic pest control method of them all by catching the moths so we can properly exterminate them, and this way they're not laying eggs in on our crops. Now, the nice thing about these moths is they don't come out at night. They actually come out during the day. Now, these moths will lay eggs on any brassica crop. So mustards, arugula, cabbage, broccoli. Typically, you see it more on cabbages and things like that. But any brassica will have these moths hone in on them. So if you've got them in your garden and you see these white moths, also they're very indicative by the all white wings and a little singular black dot on each one of them on the upper portion of the wing. Now, they're very beautiful, but they've got to go. So real men use pink butterfly nets. All right, let's go. Ooh. There's one over here. Missed. It's like hunting. Sometimes if you miss once, they realize your intention and they're gone for a while. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off and I'll turn it back on once I see them come back. It won't take too long because they stay in our garden most of the day. All right, while I was eating some strawberries, I saw it come back. All right, let's see if we can get it. Where did it go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Oh, it's over by the peas. Oh man, oh come on now. Oh seriously, they're so fast. When they're not resting, they're so unbelievably fast. They're smart. We'll be patient. While I was picking a nice container of strawberries, one of our moth friends returned. So now we're just gonna wait patiently, wait for them to kind of settle down a little bit. They're still super fluttery. And as soon as they kind of calm down a little bit, we'll swoop in to get them. Ooh, oh, come on. Settle down. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. There's some nice brassicas right here. Ooh, ay, come on. Oh, I got him, yes. Yes. Just gotta be patient. I got him, or her, but there we go. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Now this moth won't see the light of day, but I want to show you guys what they look like. There, you can see there. There's that nice little black dot. So there you guys go. It is one of the most effective organic pest control methods that I've found for cabbage moths. Now this also works with Japanese beetles. It's actually really effective for Japanese beetles because they are all sitting on top of the branches. You just simply swoop in and gather a few up. They'll scatter and they'll get scared, but they'll come back, and you just keep gathering them up and crushing them or drowning them as you please. But it's so effective because you're not spraying any chemicals. Nothing's being sprayed on beneficial insects. You're not catching any beneficial insects, and if you do, you can let them go. There's no harm being done other than getting rid of the ones you don't want. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. It's a super short episode, I know, but there's really nothing else to it. I hope you guys try this, and just remember, the most effective tool can come from a kid's toy. That's right. All right, catch you guys in the next episode. Grow big or go home.